So let's start with bishop d6. We play bishop h3. Bishop f4 was the problem. If bishop f8, rook f8, this is very rich position for us, and we have here a real big advantage. King on g1 is under very danger. If knight f3 trying to change it, it's fine. We just take and play bishop e6. Now is coming bishop d4, very unpleasant check. And after king h1 or king h2, we have queen h4 check and winning it, because queen h3 is not possible. Our bishop is on e6. The same, white cannot protect it, d4 square bishop, because b2 is hanging. So here after bishop d6, bishop h3, bishop f8, rook f8, in real here we have more than compensation for exchange. So after bishop d6, bishop h3, bishop f4, queen g2, bishop g2, king g2. So the same position with pawn on b6. And now here is the difference. Instead of taking knight c2, which is also okay, now with pawn on b6, there is another move which is stronger. Now we use that our pawn on b6, so white don't play bishop d6, attacking rook f8 and c5 pawn. So here is the biggest difference with b6 pawn. Now we play g5 first. g5 and asking opponent bishop to move somewhere. Where to move? If you move to g3, then we take knight c2, attacking a1 rook, and next move also we treat knight e3 check. And we take opponent rook, then we will have 3 pawns and rook against 2 pieces with big advantage. After g5, if they play bishop d6 with tempo on our f8 rook, rook fd8, again we also do move with tempo. And if e5 protecting the d6, it will be the same thing. Knight c2 attacking a1 rook, and also knight e3 threat is coming. Rook fd8. If bishop e7 attacking our rook, we with tempo attack opponent bishop. And again after bishop f6, again something. Knight c2 attacking a1 rook, and knight e3 check. So after g5, the only place white bishop can go back is bishop d2. But now we take knight c2. And after rook a d1, we play immediately rook a d8. And now white has problems with d3 pawn. It's very hard to protect it. Next move is coming rook d7, rook d8, knight b4. We also attacking move on d3. And now this ending, it's much better version of the previous one. And in real, here we have already advantage. These 3 pawns are more than enough. And the additional point here is that d3 square, d3 pawn is very weak. So this is the minus of bishop d6, and plus that our pawn is on b6. We take bishop h3. After bishop f8, rook f8, we have more than compensation. Anyone who loves to work with engine, it's showing almost +1 for black. And after bishop f4, queen g2, take, we have nice g5 move, g5 middle move. And after bishop d2, knight c2, and now d3 pawn is hanging. So this was bishop d6 move. Now let's see what's happening after rook a e1, trying to play e5, and bishop h4 moves.